In this video, we'll discuss top 10 benefits of blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger system that uses cryptography to secure and confirm transactions. It makes it possible to create an unbreakable, transparent record of transactions and other data. Each block in the chain contains a record of numerous transactions and is linked to the one before it by a cryptographic hash. Due to the fact that once a block is added to the network, the data contained therein cannot be altered or withdrawn, the blockchain is an immutable record of all transactions. Although blockchain technology is still in its infancy, it has the potential to upend a wide range of sectors and alter how we perceive security and trust in the digital sphere. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. There are the following benefits of blockchain. 1. Decentralization. Blockchain enables the development of decentralized systems, which are immune to censorship and manipulation because they are not under the authority of a single entity. One of the main characteristics of blockchain technology is decentralization. It speaks of how authority and control are allocated within a structure or network. Power and control are concentrated in the hands of a single entity, such as a government or corporation, in conventional centralized systems. Power and control, on the other hand, are shared among a network of users in decentralized networks. Decentralization in the context of blockchain alludes to the network not being under the control of a single entity, but rather by a network of users who labor together to uphold and confirm the network's integrity through consensus mechanisms. Due to the absence of a singular point of failure, decentralization makes it possible for a network to be more reliable and trustworthy. 2. Transparency. Blockchain enables the development of open systems that enable the tracking of transactions in the information movement, increasing their auditability and accountability. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is transparency. It describes the network's capacity to offer visibility and tracking of the movement of data and assets within the network. The public ledger's transparency makes it possible to monitor and confirm transactions as well as the movement of assets throughout the network. As a result, blockchain-based systems are much more auditable and accountable because they enable transaction tracking. 3. Security. Blockchain employs cutting-edge encryption to safeguard transactions and guard against fraud and hacking. One of the most crucial aspects of blockchain technology is security. A high degree of security for transactions and data kept on the network is provided by the decentralized nature of blockchain and the use of cutting-edge cryptography. Public key cryptography is one of the primary ways that blockchain technology offers security. A private key and a public key are a set of keys that belong to every user on the network. While the public key is used to confirm the user's identity and the transaction's integrity, the private key is used to sign and approve transactions. This guarantees that the network can only be accessed by authorized users and that any changes are clearly recorded. 4. Immutability. The security of the information is guaranteed once data has been stored on a blockchain because it is very difficult to alter or tamper with. One of the main characteristics of blockchain technology is immutability. In order to ensure that data recorded on the blockchain cannot be altered or tampered with, it refers to the network's capacity to uphold the integrity of the data saved on it. Blockchain's immutability is made possible by the use of cryptographic hash algorithms. A hash, or digest, which is the output of a hash function, is an input that has a set length. A chain of blocks is created on the blockchain because each block includes the hash of the one before it. The checksum of the preceding block is included when a new block is added to the chain, forming a connection between the two blocks. The prior block's hash will change if any of the data in it is altered, breaking the link and making it clear that the data has been changed. In conclusion, one of the main advantages of blockchain technology is that once data is stored on the blockchain, it cannot be changed. 5. Traceability. Supply networks and financial transactions are made more efficient and transparent by the use of blockchain technology, which enables the tracking of the movement of assets like money and goods. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is traceability. It speaks of the capacity to monitor and trace the flow of resources, including products and money, throughout the network. In conclusion, one of the main advantages of blockchain technology is traceability, which enables the monitoring and authentication of transactions as well as the movement of assets within the network. It can be used in many areas, including financial services and supply chain management, to track the movement of products and assets. 6. Efficiency. Blockchain technology can speed up deals by eliminating the need for middlemen and automating a variety of processes, including the execution of smart contracts. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is efficiency. It speaks to the network's capacity to simplify and streamline procedures, lessening the need for middlemen and boosting transaction speed. In conclusion, effectiveness is one of the main advantages of blockchain technology because it enables process automation and streamlining, minimizing the need for middlemen and accelerating transaction times. Peer-to-peer transfers can be made possible by the use of distributed ledger technology, smart contracts, and these other technologies. 7. Cost effectiveness. Blockchain has the potential to lower intermediary costs and boost process efficiency, lowering total costs. Eliminating middlemen is one of the main ways that blockchain offers cost effectiveness. In conventional systems, it is frequently necessary to use intermediaries to ease transactions and guarantee the accuracy of the data, such as banks, attorneys, and governmental organizations. However, middlemen are not required in blockchain-based systems because the network of users validates transactions and records them on the open ledger. This can significantly cut down on the price of using middlemen. Process automation is yet another method that blockchain offers cost effectiveness. The use of distributed ledger technology and smart contracts can automate and streamline processes, lowering the need for manual labor and boosting network effectiveness. This can speed up transactions and significantly lower the cost of manual work. 8. Interoperability. Blockchain can make it possible for data and assets to move freely between various platforms and businesses. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is interoperability. It alludes to the smooth communication and collaboration between various blockchain networks and systems. Using cross-chain communication protocols is one approach to achieve interoperability, such as sidechains and atomic exchanges, which enable the exchange of assets and data between various blockchain networks. 9. Identity management. Blockchain can be used to build portable, private, and secure digital identity platforms. One of the main uses of blockchain technology is identity management. It alludes to the capacity for managing, storing, and verifying digital identities in a secure and private manner on the blockchain. Digital identities and self-sovereign identity (SSI) systems are two of the primary ways that blockchain is being used for identity management. With the aid of SSI systems, people can share their confidential information only with those they choose. The data is kept on the blockchain, which guarantees its immutability and security. Decentralized identity (DID) systems are yet another method that blockchain is being utilized for identity management, which make it possible to create digital identities that are not under the authority of one particular entity. DIDs can be used to authenticate transactions and access to resources as well as to confirm the identity of people and groups. 10. Democratization. Blockchain can allow the creation of decentralized systems that give more power and control to the users and communities, rather than centralized organizations. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is democratization. It refers to blockchain's capacity to facilitate the development of decentralized systems that offer users and communities more power and control over systems than centralized organizations. By offering a safe and transparent method to conduct elections and vote counting, blockchain can also help democratize voting systems by giving voters more control over their own political process. By supplying a safe and transparent method for holding polls and tallying the votes, giving people more control over their own political system. Did you learn something new about the benefits of blockchain that you didn't know before? We hope you did. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this.